You will never see the finish line until you get close to it. What does that mean? It's like kind of obvious, right? Yeah, it's obvious. But what I want, the main message is do not quit. Don't quit at all. You might make adjustments, you might make pivots on your path, but you can't quit. You guys remember the T.I. song, I Can't Quit. You can't quit. We are in February right now. About a little under a year ago, I took on this journey because at work we're doing this event, this like conference type thing. And I took on this journey like, how can we streamline the process? And I found the Indigo software and I installed it through Docker on my local computer and it was working great. And I'm like, hey, we should try to install this application so we can use it. And they're like, yeah, it looks pretty good. Try it out. But if we are going to use it, we want to go through this whole infrastructure thing, right? It was a nightmare, and I had no idea the work that I was undertaking. But I started going down the path of Terraform, going down the path of how to get a Docker Compose into Amazon Elastic Container Service. We spent so much time trying to get this thing to work. And there were sometimes I was working late on it. Then I'd get busy with some other stuff. I had to put it down for a month and it just kept going at it. And now in my work environment, I can see the finish line. Could I see it 6 months ago? Not really. Could I see it 3 months ago? Could I see it last week? I got closer. I kept on getting closer and closer and closer. And now I can actually see the finish line. But if I was to there's been so many times along the way, it's like, is this thing worth it? Is anybody going to even use it? But now, as I'm seeing a lot of changes happening, I'm like, you know what? This is what automating the process, putting these plans in place is going to streamline for whoever is running it. So the core is when you have a vision, when you have a plan, don't just drop it. Don't just quit. Because when you are so far away from the finish line, you don't know what's going to happen, what's going to end up. If for any reason this thing doesn't, we end up not using it, I learned so much along the way about terraforming an application, an open source application, an application that has the Docker Compose, how to set it up on an Amazon environment, which I can translate that to possibly a Google Cloud platform, a Microsoft Azure platform, how to do that migration. And there's been, and with all the other things that I'm working on at the same time, getting those closer and closer and closer, even on this channel, when we went out on the quest, when Rod Brown sent me a message at 11:52 p.m. on a Tuesday or on a Wednesday night, and I went down the rabbit hole of figuring out how can we create this solution as a plugin for OBS. And now we went into C++. I didn't know if this thing was going to end up working or not, but we kept at it until we actually got some results. And now that led us to the resume flow application, the Tech Barbarian coaching portal application. When I started creating that, it was just so I could manage the people that I'm coaching one-on-one. And now it's blown up to this whole big thing that we're about to go live. I have someone testing it. Now the speech app as well. All these different things that at the very beginning is just a thought. It is just a thought. I don't know what the finish line looks like, but I know that, I have this problem and I want to solve it. A lot of times when you see these applications being built, the person creating it has no idea if it's going to blow up or not. I have no idea if what I'm building is going to blow up or not, but I just want to solve a problem. My goal is to solve a problem, and I just keep working at it, keep working at it until I start seeing the results. And then I start to maneuver and put things here, put things there. Now, if like any of the apps that we started building, started off with just a prompt, no idea what's going to happen. And now, complete. Setting prices, putting them in this platform and that platform. So my message to you, don't quit. Do not quit. See it to the end. See it through in a good way. See it through in a good way. All right. Sometimes I have to see it through. That's not in a good way. But this time it is in a good way. Keep going and you will see the finish line. And once you cross that finish line, you're going to get more ideas and you're going to get that confidence that you need for the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. As DJ Khaled would say, another one. All right. That is my message to you. Let's get to the finish line. Let's get there together. Let's build it together and let's go out there and win.
Why you looking so hard? You worried about the wrong play, man. Go look in the mirror. Dust. You on my page before you brush your teeth. You stuck on my ground while I'm in the streets. You worrying about my bag, worrying about my wins. You ain't worrying about your pockets looking paper thin. Look at you, man, musty, can't be trusted. Hating on my shine cause your whole life busted. You could be doing so much if you looked at you, but you rather look at me. That's the bum in you. You complaining about the work that I got in the vault, but you ain't willing to undo it. That's your own damn fault. I'm not sorry, I don't care, I don't feel no pity. You a clown in the suburbs, I'm the man of the city. You looking through my window with a greedy eye, instead of in the mirror asking who am I? You a hater, you a watch, you a non-starter. While I'm climbing up the charts, yeah, I'm going harder. Stop looking through my window. Go look inside your mirror. You worry about my downfall, that's why your vision ain't clear. You're dusty. Stop looking through my window. Go look inside your mirror. You could be winning too, bro, winning too, but you rather be a failure. I don't feel you, I don't see you, I don't hear you. You just a gnat in my ear, I just brush you off. You just mad cause I'm the boss and you looking soft. You ain't willing to do the work that I've done. I was up at 4 a.m., you was having fun. I was 72 hours fasting, getting my mind right. You was on the timeline, starting up a new fight, but the fight ain't with me. Man, the fight is with yourself. You could have the same damn drive, you could have the wealth, but you rather be a critic, you rather be a troll. While I'm knocking down goals at the Super Bowl, I don't feel no pity, I don't feel remorse that you chose to stay with you while I'm a damn horse. This a race and you ain't even at the starting line. Too busy drawing pictures on my finish line. Stop looking through my window. Go look inside your mirror. You worried about my downfall, that's why your vision ain't clear. Stop looking through my window. Go look inside your mirror. You could be winning too, bro, winning too, but you rather be a failure. Let's get it. My focus is on goal, my focus is on winning. My focus is on the next chapter, just beginning. I'm too busy, man, my calendar is packed. I'm too busy building up, I'm too busy building stack. I'm coaching up the team, I'm on the mass, I'm on the string. I'm building in the world, I'm living out the dream. And you are not a factor, you are not a threat. You were just a bad investment, you were bad bet. I'm not sorry for you, I'm not sorry for the facts that I'm out here running up the score to the max. I don't see you, you are invisible to me, cause I'm everything you're jealous of, scared of me. Real talk, if you took a little time and focused on your own success instead of on my damn downfall, you wouldn't be so dusty. Ha. Maybe you should try it if you wanna win, but you won't. Get a life, man. Stop watching mine. Go get some money.